Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play music on your GMC Terrain. First, ensure your vehicle's infotainment system is powered on and ready. We'll cover the easiest methods to get your tunes playing, whether you prefer wireless connections or physical cables. Understanding these options will help you maximize your driving enjoyment with your preferred soundtrack. Let's get started with the most popular choice for many drivers. Connecting via Bluetooth is a popular and straightforward method. On your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable. Then, on your Terrain's infotainment screen, access the audio menu and select Bluetooth. Choose your phone from the list of available devices to pair. Once connected, you can stream music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your phone's apps, enjoying a completely wireless experience. For a wired connection, your Terrain provides both USB and auxiliary inputs. You can plug a USB flash drive loaded with music files directly into a USB port, or connect your smartphone using its charging cable. This often provides superior sound quality and keeps your device charged. If you have an older MP3 player, a 3.5mm auxiliary cable will connect it to the auxiliary jack, offering another simple way to play your audio. Beyond your personal devices, your GMC Terrain offers other great music options. You can always tune into traditional AM or FM radio for local stations. If you have an active subscription, Sirius XM satellite radio provides hundreds of channels of music, news, and entertainment. Some models also feature built-in apps for popular streaming services. Remember to explore your sound settings to fine-tune the bass, treble, and balance for your perfect listening experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.